thing was eating healthy, making that an automatic behavior, meaning choosing the lower calorie options, choosing the lower sugar options, the less processed options. When that becomes a habit, when that becomes automatic, meaning you do it eventually without thinking about it, that's when you're going to be able to maintain the weight. One of the biggest reasons that most of my patients regain is they went back to old habits. They'll start a keto or a low carb and they can't do it forever. So pick a healthy option that you can do it forever. The second reason is self-monitoring. I'm not a huge fan of tracking if you feel like you don't need the tracking, but people who constantly ensure they exercise regularly, constantly ensure some of them track their food. If this is you and you feel like you need that, then do it. Whatever you need to do to maintain. If you're not familiar with all the different foods, or you're not sure at times how much calories you're taking in, then tracking your food is going to be a better option. And then better psychological coping skills. Not beating yourself up when you decide to indulge, but saying it's okay. Not trying to control your cravings, but accept that everybody has cravings and that can be normal. And not like self-blame or shame.